welcome again to the channel. It's Sylvain here. So on today's video, we're talking about Masternodes hosting services. So before we start, let's dive into determine what a masternode is. All right, so a masternode is defined as a governing hub in some cryptocurrency networks. It requires an initial collateral tokens or stake to operate. A node is defined as any computing device, computer, phone, etc. that is maintaining a network. It has a managing role in special jobs that regular nodes don't have. All right, so one thing that's interesting by this is you can earn some passive income while running masternodes or SmartNodes, whatever they're called, depending on the currency, and then by staking and using the masternode. So it's really the passive income. For some cryptos, it's not much, but over time it can compound and become a greater number. So let's have a look now at 3 websites that you could look into to host your masternode essentially. So first, Zcore Central. So that website's got a lot of supported coins, so it's mentioning 149. Right. So what we mean by hosted service, so it just means that you need to prove that you've got your collateral into your wallet, and then you just connect essentially with an IP and a public key that way. So it's much easier setup than setting up a VPS, for example. So if you're a beginner out there, that's really a good option for you, advice, starting to set up your own VPS and stuff like that. So if we scroll here, so you get so that's a pretty interesting platform. So you've got all the different coins here, like I mentioned, 149, and you can see, so you see the required amount, the price per coin or token, the volume, return of investment. Coins with higher returns tend to be a bit more volatile, less proven in that sense. Monthly income that it provides, masternode worth. So if you were to, let's say, sell it after buying it, so that's the price of it here. That sums up a bit what Zcore is, and it's got an actual mobile app as well, so you can track your masternodes on there. So POSMN, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, so POSMN. They also support 50 coins, about 1,000 users, and then hosted masternodes, so 8,200. So if we compare, it still has even more masternodes total on this platform. And then you'd be able to scroll into this here and then look over at all the different crypto they support. Obviously less. So if we look at Dash, for example, in this one, so obviously that's $78 per Dash. You can only imagine for this specific one you need 1,000 Dash. So you're looking at around $78,000 US in order to acquire the collateral necessary to be able to run that masternodes. All right. So as you can see, you can scroll. It gives you all the different data. So both this one and this particular site are pretty good for this year. So POSMN, have a look into this one as well. They have the monkey coin you can pay with. You can also transfer Bitcoin on the platform as well in order to pay for your, I think it's about like 3 months. It covers you 3 months for the basic plan or whatever. So look into that. We're now to the next platform, so easymasternodes.com. So it covers a bit less coins itself. However, I've used this one. It's really good. So they're covering Horizen. So now they have a little promotion here. I really like Horizen. So if you host a super node, then you'll get a secure node for free included in that. So check that out. So they host SmartCash, Bitcoin Confidential, which is kind of the same thing as SmartCash for staking. So that's a bit different, but another option you can look into staking that particular coin. And then you have the others like Polis, known as well, Zcore, that's from the other platform I talked about, PIVX, and then Zcore as well. They're pretty popular overall. You're asking yourself about a specific coin. So let's say we go on this one. So I've got Rapids now, for example, so 43% reward. So I'm using the site stakingrewards.com. So let's now, like I mentioned, let's go over to Horizen. Then you'd get the data as well for this specific coin as well. So you'd go here, and then you can have all the data, like I said, the reward, nevertheless. So just go over those websites, scroll, learning the projects and so on, so you know exactly what you're getting into. And so that completes this video. So it's only a quick overview where you can learn and try to get more info about Masternodes, learn how you can, actually by managing the certain amount of coins depending on each one, then you can get some passive income with it. So that way, if the value of the coin itself goes up, then you benefit from that, and also you benefit from acquiring more of that same token or coin as well. So look into that for sure. Again, this is only like a quick overview what that is, but go on those websites, look around, do some research as I taught on the previous video. And then hopefully this was good value to you. Hopefully you learned something new about that's even possible, because when I started in crypto I didn't know about this. So anyway, thanks for watching, and then we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.